Allegedly, Albert Camus said, "Some people expend a tremendous amount of energy trying to be normal." This makes me think, what is the purpose of being normal? Michel Foucault had a narrative that madness in parts of history was celebrated. Under this preface, why be normal? What is the value and rewards of being normal? I suspect society does not ask this question. Now, Leon, in every sense, was not normal. He documented his existence through his drawings. A picture of his mother holding him was a symbol of her affection that he felt throughout his childhood. Leon captured a culture and he documented the various stages of his life. In the end, he created a journal of his life through pictures. It was a beautiful expression. Now, on a windy afternoon in a cafe, Leon has an argument with his friend Tom. Now, Tom has a marriage with being normal. Considering this, it comes to no surprise when Tom tells Leon, "Why can't you be normal?" Leon paused and then countered, "The currency of normal is not a currency I wish to invest in." Leon understood that the life of an artist had no relationship with normal. Leon concluded, the investment of normal pays no interest, because historically being normal is the invisible hand and eye of humanity. You are not felt, and you are not seen.